again, everybody. So today's video we're gonna use the red. Wait, so we have to put it here. We have to use this red wedges for driving to the city. So hi again, everyone. I repeat it because I forgot to on my. So we're gonna use this red wedges going to San Carlos City. So I'm just parking in the area where it is quiet, and when you park you have to be careful, especially when you don't know the area. You have to look around first. Don't park because it is quiet and nobody's there. It is safe to park in the area where there are a lot of houses, but I pass here all the time. It's just a tips for you guys. And when you drive, you always have to look who's behind you and the people you followed also, especially when you are new to a place. So that, because there are a lot of bad happenings in the road this time, like they just stop you and you know what I mean, and crime like that. So you have to be careful for the cars also that you followed and who follow you. And especially with parking in the area that you don't know the area. So okay, we go to drive now. So drive, blinker left, and we go. And if you notice something different with the cars or the motorbike that are following you, you just have to stop in the area where there's a lot of people. If you are doubting, like if you're being followed by somebody else. So I'm not feeling well for a few days, and now I'm good. So maybe you notice something in my talking or my voice. It's just I'm having cold for a days, and now I'm feeling better. So I'm going to San Carlos. I was planning to do the car wash because my car is really dirty, and also here in the Philippines there's a typhoon, and now it's quiet now, and there's no more rain so far, only cloudy a little bit. And yeah, that's my day today. So I'm looking for my camera if it's working because it looks dark. So we're gonna overtake this truck. Be careful also when you brake in a corner, especially when there's a lot of suns, because sometimes you're gonna slip for that. So you have to, that's why I brake and release the brake. Sometimes when you notice like I keep on pressing the brake, but it's just like I press hard and like trying to control the road, especially here in the Philippines. It's slippery when you drive in a mountain, and it's there's a lot of rocks in the road and also sands from the mountain. So that's why I brake hard and let go, brake, let go, and then that's what I do. So what makes you comfortable, then you have to do that. That's what makes me comfortable when driving in the mountain. So I have to be sure that I can brake on time if there is something going on in the road. So here there's a kind of small bounce. Oh my gosh, what's going on with you guys? You're not in the right place to make a turn. in the Philippines, some new drivers get panic for it because everybody is fighting for the road like that. But you just have to be watchful in every corner and also give way if there's a big driver or fast driver, big truck, fast driver is driving faster than you. I was planning to inquire my roofing there. I ordered roofing for my entrance and still not delivered, so I have to check out when I come back.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.